Sir, bagamat sabi nga po ninyo, kamakailan nyo lamang nalaan itong problema sa flood control. No? Gusto ko lang po kasing maunawaan yung proseso para po lang maintindihan namin bakit po hindi nakakarating sa inyo yung ganito pong mga sinasabi nating anomalya. Paano po bang nangyayari kung halimbawa na-approve na yung flood control project sa isang probinsya? Paano po yun?
Pag na-approve na po, I think within the limit of the district office or regional office, kasi na po, we have given them the full authority to implement the project. No? But they have actually to report doon sa monitoring platform namin on the status of this project. So, nandun nun po yung we rely, of course, dito sa central office, I would have to rely actually on the reports that coming up. And of course, meron kaming mga levels of supervision din naman. Meron yung regional director, meron yung assistant secretary, may undersecretary who is in charge of these areas. So, these are the things na dapat they should be the ones actually to field field supervision before it reaches information to me. Yun ang mga ganun po.
Okay. So kumbaga
There are thousands of projects that are being implemented under the budget of the department.
Opo.
I have to rely also on the levels of supervision that is in place. Yung mga ganun po.
So kumbaga pinagkakatiwalaan po itong mga in charge sa proyekto. So I wonder,
Because I would not be able actually on my own on this
yes.
to be able to supervise everything po and to be I have to rely also on my people that there are levels, senior levels actually that have to help me actually monitor and supervise all these projects as well.